Oh, it's a tenacious Tuesday. April the 14th, 2020. We will be going over the end of course review, part 1. Tenacious. Tenacious. What does it have to do with this picture that I have here posted? This poor frog's being eaten up by this big old bird, but he has his hands around that bird's throat to keep that bird from swallowing him whole. What does that have to do with tenacious? Tenacious, not giving up, not easily dispelled or discouraged, hanging in there. And that is exactly what we need to be doing today. Dr. King had the right way of saying it. He said, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you got to keep moving. So don't give up. We're on week 4 of virtual school, and we're going to keep on trucking. We're almost there, y'all. Yesterday's assignment had you guys going to civics360.org, making an account, it's free, and doing one of the practice assessments, one of the 15-question practice assessments. And you were supposed to do a screenshot or take a picture of it, of your score, and then share it with me, either on Teams, email, Remind, something. This is a grade. And I have a bunch of people who did not do this assignment. And as a result, you have a 0, probably, sitting in focus right now. So if you did not do this assignment, I suggest you do this assignment today. If you do it today by 3 o'clock, I will only count off 20 points for completing this assignment. That means you will have an 80 in the grade book, and I will take an 80 over a 0 any day. In addition to that, please make sure that you're doing your attendance quiz. A lot of folks will open the attendance quiz and they won't submit it and turn it in. I don't understand that. I mean, you're turning the thing in so you can get it counted for you. So make sure you're doing that. Today's focus, moving on, is our review for the County EOC Part 1. There are 4 parts to this review, and we're going to do it a little bit different. There's not a paper review that you're going to have in your hand. It's actually going to be a very visual, visual, hearing and seeing. Sorry, I'm losing my mind today. Review. This is actually a really, really good study guide review. You are going to go into YouTube, and you are going to type in the search bar, Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC Academy. And this guy right here, Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC Academy, is the person you want to click on. Now, I've subscribed to him because I love his videos and what he shares. He's been doing civics, social studies for a long time, and he has a lot of good information to share. Once you get into his channel, I want you to search and find Civics EOC State Exam Review Part 1. It's about 15 minutes and 46 seconds long. This is what I want you to watch and go through today. There's 4 parts in his Civics EOC Study Exam Reviews, and this is the first one. I'm going to tell y'all, these are really, really, really good reviews. I've had kids tell me, some from last year and the year before, that after they took their EOC, they said, Mr. Raymond's reviews were really good. They said, I even saw questions that were almost exactly to the same as what he was talking about on the test. So, can't get any better than that. So, this is the video that you're going to click on. And here's the link as well, which I will put in focus. And I will also put it in assignments on Teams. So you will have it in multiple places that you can find your link to Mr. Raymond's Civics Review Part 1 to go through. You're going to go through the video. It's about 15 minutes long. there are some guided notes that you need to complete as you watch it, and it goes in order. So number 1 on your guided notes is the first thing you're going to see on the video. I am linking the guided notes into assignments, but I'm also, and if you can't open them, that's okay. I'm also going to put them in focus. It will be in focus under Mr. Raymond's EOC, Civics EOC Review Part 1. So you can find it in focus or you can find it in assignments. It's in either one of them. And if you can't find it in either one of them, you can't get it open, send me a message and I'll email it to you. But you should be able to open it in one of these two. You're going to go through the video. You're going to complete the notes. But do not turn in the notes. You're going to use those notes tomorrow. You will have a quiz tomorrow using these notes. Make sure you do the video, you do the notes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes max, okay? That is today's assignment. That is today's focus. So you're going to do the video, Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC video part 1 with the guided notes, and you're not turning them in, but you're going to do it. You'll have a quiz on them tomorrow. Make sure you do today's attendance quiz. Make sure that you go back and check and make sure that you did the practice assessment in Civics 360, yesterday's thing. If you didn't, do it so you can get it in and get that 0 off, okay? All right, I'm going to let you go. You got things to do. Have a wonderful, tenacious Tuesday. Be tenacious. Be, what do you call it? Encourageable, to where you're not going to give up. You're going to keep trying. You're going to keep pushing. We're almost there. Hang in there. All right, guys. I'll see you later.